Hello and welcome back to IXL tutorials. This is Mr. Duffick, and today we are doing IXL J3, which is just identifying congruent figures. So all of these problems just have you looking at two different shapes and seeing if they are congruent. Now remember, the word congruent just means same or equal or identical. So in essence, they are giving you the same shape twice, right? And so you have to determine whether they're actually the same shape or not. So if two shapes are congruent, then two things are going to be true. Number one, all of the sides are going to be the same length corresponding between both sides. So the top here has one tick mark, the top over here has one tick mark, the sides have two. Okay, so all of those sides are confirmed the same. Good. Two, all of the angles between the two shapes have to be the same. So each angle between the two shapes is all 90. All good there too. So good, 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 good for all the sides, and then all the angles are 90. So these two shapes are indeed congruent. Okay. Sometimes they'll give you the tick mark. Sometimes they will give you numbers. So it looks like here we have two hexagons, and all of these side lengths are 33 for both, so good. And it looks like all of the angles are 120, which is also good. So definitely congruent. Okay, it looks like we have a shape here with four congruent sides. And over here we have the top and the bottom are congruent, right? They have the one tick mark just like all of these. Over here, though, there are two tick marks. So these two shapes cannot be the same, even though they have the same angles. They're all 90 degrees, right, between both. But not all of these sides are the same. The sides, the two left and right sides, are going to be different between the shapes. So definitely not the same shape, or definitely not congruent. Okay, we have the angles, 2, 2, 2, and 2, and then 1, 1, 1, 1. And then we have the side lengths is 56, 56, 56, 56. That's a rhombus. So that is definitely congruent. Okay, we have all different shapes, all different lengths on the sides. That has the same angle, but we cannot confirm these two are the same. Okay, that's another element to these problems. You have to know for sure. You can't just assume a couple things are the same just because they look like it. So we do not know for sure C and S and B and R are corresponding, or they're going to be the same or congruent. So therefore, we couldn't even prove it anyway. But we see the sides aren't even the same regardless. So definitely not congruent. Are these congruents? The angles are all the same, and the sides look like they are all the same. So yes. Are they congruent? 70, 110, yes. 47, 47, 39, 39, yes. All good. 60, 59, 20, 34. So all the sides are good. It looks like all of the angles are going to be good as well. Are they congruent? 26, 26, 17, 17, and all four of the angles between both are 90, so yes. A lot of yeses here. Yes. Okay, I'm just going through all of these because these seem easy enough. Oop, this side down here is 47 and the angles are different, so no. Gotta keep an eye out. Okay, 51, 129. Okay, the tick marks are different between both, meaning they're going to be different side lengths, so these do not correspond, therefore they are not congruent. Okay, 2 rings, 1 ring, 1 ring, 2 rings, 34, 34, 34, 34, all good. All 61, all 1 ring for the angle, good. And okay, this is the highest it will let me go. I can't even jump further. And so these two shapes are not going to be congruent, or at least you cannot prove it, because not only are some of these sides different, like 52 and 53, but these two sides right here and these two sides right here don't have a ring, so we cannot absolutely confirm they are going to be the same. You're going to see that with a few different problems here. If you cannot confirm something is congruent, then you cannot assume it is, and therefore you can't prove it. So it's going to be an automatic no. So definitely a no here. Okay, and I think you get